Welcome back to Stuff About tutorial. Today we are talking about how to send a friend request on Roblox. Why would you want to know how to send a friend request on Roblox? Well, maybe it is your first time using Roblox and not sure how to send a friend request on Roblox. So today I am going to show you how to send a friend request on Roblox. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Sending a friend request on Roblox is quite simple and the process is easy to do. First of all, open Roblox. Now you are seeing different options and games. If you are willing to add people, now click on search icon at the top center. Search for a people. Now click on people. From here, you are seeing different people. Click on any profile. Now click on add friend. Friend request has been sent. There you go. If you wanted to know how to send a friend request on Roblox, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way, to leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.